This is a super cute two-piece t-shirt short set, centimeter review from Ekouaer. I love it. This is the blue flower print, which is gorgeous with birds and flowers. There's a pocket, really cute hems. There is a tie down here, really stretchy waist. I am 5'8". I got the medium, which is my usual size. Pretty true to size. If you want it at the waist, this is how short they are on me anyway. I'm 5'8". Personally, I like wearing stuff down like on my hips. So then that's how that would fit. Kind of depends on your feel. This is it like on the hip. And then this is it up at the true waist. It is totally a pajama vibe. But this shirt is so cute. You can honestly wear it out, like pair it with some white jeans or something. Super cute, really comfortable, so silky soft. Not silky, but almost. It's a polyester spandex blend, so it's like really stretchy and comfortable. I just love it. So comfy for around the house, for sleeping, you name it. I love it, and I know you will too.